Hey everyone, congratulations. You are on the final step and you are almost ready to start making money with this done for you system and earn from all 4 income streams. What I'm going to be covering in this video is how to set up the last step and the final piece of the puzzle, right? We set up our high converting offer, which is our income multiplier. That's our MCA $80 commissions. We set up our done for you system, which is going to allow massive team duplication. And we set up our done for you email follow-up, which is going to follow up and convert even more people that go through this system, right? Not everybody's going to buy on the first time, but if we send them, 6, 7, 8 emails, right, you're going to be able to convert those people at a lot higher of a rate. So with this step, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you Udemy. So if you haven't created your free Udemy account, go ahead, click that button below. I have to change that button to green as well, but just go ahead, get a free sign up. You're going to get a $5 gift for being a referred member. And then what you want to do is you want to go into your edit page of your system. So once you've created your free Udemy account, before we send traffic to our system, we want to plug in our Udemy affiliate link. All right, so in order to get your Udemy affiliate link, you want to click on copy right here, and then you want to go to your notepad and you want to paste that link into your Udemy section. Then what you want to do is you want to go back over to your edit tab for your step number 4. And again, if you haven't changed your navigation, you want to make sure you change out all 4 steps of the navigation to make sure that when people click on the navigation, they go to your pages inside of your funnel. Okay, so what you want to do is I'm going to change this button again to green, and let me just fix this here. So what you want to do is you want to click on set action, and then you want to change out this link again. You want to change that out with your Udemy affiliate link, and that's all you need to do for this page. Don't touch the swipe ad or the Facebook group. Leave those the same, and make sure you change out the navigation bar. Once you've done that, click on save, and your system is now complete and ready for traffic to be sent to it. So what you want to do is you want to head over to Udemy and you want to actually purchase your first solo ad. So what I recommend doing is going under find sellers, and this is actually someone who I highly recommend. He's a great vendor, but what we want to look for is I recommend going to about 3 days, and then you can do 35 to 50 cents. We can drop the sales percentage down to 30%, and as you guys see here, there's 2 vendors. So this having your setup like this at the top makes it very slim pickings, but they're very high quality members, right? You're paying a little bit more per click, but these are going to be people that are going to actually buy what you're selling. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to grab one of these vendors, and most of the time you'll have more than 2. You'll have anywhere from 5 or 6. If you want to pick it up, you can drop the sales percentage down a little bit more, and you can increase the price if you want to as well. So I guess there's just not very many people that are have openings right now. So if you want to open up the days, right, you can go 7 days. This might open up some more people, and you can also show the excluded. Okay, so you can kind of mess around with this and really dive in. But what I recommend doing is before you purchase any traffic, go down, see where the traffic's coming from, see what percentage of sales they have, how many thumbs up, how many thumbs down. Go through, look at their Look at their testimonials, right? This guy got 10 sales, so that's pretty crazy, right? So you can go through, this guy got 2 sales, this guy got 2 sales. So it looks like, there's a lot of people that are having sales with this particular vendor, right? And he's got a lot of, so I would recommend, going through and testing that out. Now, in order to get the email follow-up sequence, what you want to do, or the solo ad swipe, I should say, what you want to do is you want to click the button below where it says download your DFY swipe, and it's going to bring you over to this page right here. So where the arrows are, that's where you're going to plug in your affiliate link. So if you just go over to your opt-in page, right, you can click that link right here. Or you can exit out of this page, and I'm going to show you how to get the main funnel link, because this is the main funnel link that you want to be sending people to. So you want to make sure you go to copy URL, and you want to add that to your notepad. So you're going to go main system link, right? So that's going to be your main system link, and this is going to allow you to run your split test pages, which is your 2 different opt-in pages that we set up in video number 3. So what you want to do is you just want to grab your, it's just really copy and paste. Just copy this title, right? You can just paste that title in here, and then you can copy this whole ad text and you can paste it in here. So I'm just going to actually do that with you guys. So I'm just going to grab all of this. We're going to open that up, paste it in, right? We're going to grab our title. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste that in. Then we're going to grab our main system link. We're going to copy this. And then what you want to do is you want to click on that with the little chain and just paste in your link. Okay? So very, very simple. It's not too difficult to do. But, like I said, it does take a little bit of work. You got to put the, you got to put the little effort in. But most of this system is set up. So you can go ahead, send 100 clicks from each vendor and see, see which ones convert the best for you. Okay, so go ahead, set up your first solo ad. Let me know the results of it. You are set up and ready for some traffic. Now that you have your whole system set up, you should have seen inside of every page there is a join our private Facebook group. This is the 6-Figure Marketers Club. This is where you're going to get private access to me, and you're going to get some first-hand training. I'm also going to be coming out with some more advanced training on how to get some traffic from Facebook for free. I'm going to do a little bit of Instagram training, some Pinterest training, and I'm also going to be showing you guys some Click Magic training so that you can actually start, setting up some solid tracking links, and you can track people every single step of the way. So this is a group that you want to be inside of, and you want to be, engaged in, because I'm going to be giving you guys lots of free value inside of that group. So go ahead, start sending some traffic to your system. You are now ready to earn, and I look forward to chatting with you guys inside of the Facebook group.